Hello, welcome back to a new castle vlog. Today we will visit St. Mau's Castle and St. Catherine's Castle. And if you are new here and you like castles, consider to subscribe my channel. So if you're ready, let's go! The castle is right there. Man, it's so windy. It's beautiful here. So it's by the seaside, of course. So that's why it's so windy. Oh man. St. Mau's Castle was built by Henry VIII in 1540s. It guarded the important anchorage of the Celtic roads. So there is the entrance. Have you seen how big it is? Let's go inside. Oh, fuck it up. That's crazy. The castle was formed part of the device fort, also known as Henrician castles or blockhouses, and were a series of artillery fortifications built to defend the coast of England and Wales. There is a lot of forts what was built by Henry VIII, basically around the coast, like in Cornwall, Devon, like a Hurst Castle when I've been, also the Walmer Castle and Deal Castle when I've been over last time. It's very nice here. I would love to live in this kind of castle.
Aye, that Latin verse around the castle walls, and all in praise of good.
When English Civil War broke out in 1640s, the castle surrendered immediately, without putting up a resistance. Basically, they just walk out without no fight. So we are on one of the bastions wall walk. Oh, beautiful views from here. Look, beautiful views. The castle was intended for use against enemy shipping, operating in partnership with its sister castle of Pendennis on the other side of the estuary, which one is all the way there. You can't see because it's too far. So basically they was guarding this entrance. In the 19th century, the castle was turned into barracks and substantial gun batteries were constructed when needed. I know these ones. One was in the Hurst Castle, so you can see these platforms, you can move it like that. It's like on a train track. Let's try it. Can I move it? Oh, I can. It's too heavy. I think that's crazy. I hope so you are hearing me, because the wind is crazy. After 1905, however, St. Mau's castle guns were removed, but in the Second World War, the castle was brought back into service. The fortification was in military use until 1956. We are on the St. Catherine's Castle. The castle was built in 1538 to 1540, and it was protected by a curtain wall because the castle is on the cliff. I don't know if you see or not. There is a steep cliff going down. You can see here. The castle was formed as part of the comprehensive system of coastal defense begun by Henry VIII after his break from Church of Rome, resulted in England's isolation from Catholic Europe. Oh, it's very high. And it starts raining. In the 18th century, the castle was equipped with 6 cannons, and it continued to be used as a battery until end of the Napoleonic Wars in 1815. Oh, it's much better. And there is a rainbow. when the sun is shining, it's very beautiful here. After Crimean War broke out in 1853, first concerns of invasion were raised, and the castle was redeveloped as part of this work in 1855, when 2 new gun positions built. By the end of the 19th century, the weaponry became obsolete, and the castle had fallen out of use again. But it was brought back into use again in the Second World War, when the castle was re-equipped as a gun battery and observation post. After 1945, the entire fort was decommissioned and new defences removed. If you are new here and you like castles, consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on next video.